I've got to put this all away. Sorry, Chi. Hey peeps, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to the sewing room. I am in the middle of filming all of the things today. I've got the 9077 done, the October-November lookbook chatty bit done, the Patreon catch-up done, lining a Sorrento jacket video done as well. I have still got the 8577 review, 6380 review, and my December plans and fabric haul to film, and all of the twirls. I made 37, but the cake got turned into a coat. 37 things over the last 5 weeks. I can't quite believe that. That's a little bit mental. Yeah, the lookbook's going to take forever. I'm procrastinating. I've got to the point where I'm like filming everything except for all the twirls. I've even not turned the heating on down here so that I don't cook, because I remember the last time I did this I absolutely cooked. The last time I did this I actually filmed the twirls first as well, so yeah, I might be doing it the wrong way around. Ooh, my advent calendar's arrived. So believe it or not, there are 24 little Hessian bags in here with lingerie findings, and I went for the vintage colourway. Pit Trading are doing a competition at the moment to win a lingerie advent calendar, and I have shared it on my Instagram stories, and I'll list it down below as well for you because I'm really excited about this. Also, my Christmas present from Natasha has arrived because she took part in the Lady McElroy 50% off sale this weekend. So I've actually opened the fabric because I know exactly what it is. Like, if I'd have sent her, I think I said this in the Patreon Waffle, but if I'd have sent her like a list of fabrics for her to pick from, then I wouldn't have opened it. But I sent her, can I please have this, and she sent me this, so I knew exactly what it was, so I've opened it. But you guys won't get to see it until one of the Vlogmas videos, and I opened it because I didn't want to have to pack it and take it up to London with me, because I am going to try and take as little as possible with me, because I'm taking Chiana with me that time as well. So yeah, I don't know if I've said this already, but we've got gardeners in today. Of course, the one day I decide to film, we've got gardeners in that are using jackhammers and stuff in the front garden, so they're making a lot of noise, but hopefully that's not coming across too badly on camera. They're not making it at the moment, so yeah. Batteries are dying all over the place. I've only got one charger, so I'm charging them as quickly as I can, and I'm just expecting this card to turn around and say, yeah, your memory is full. But I have got my laptop down here so that I can transfer all the clips over and then clear out the memory card and start again. I've had lunch. I have had lunch, trying to help Dad sort out his new phone. The company that we bought it from said it was unlocked. It's a refurbished phone, and it's not. It's locked 202, so that's not good, and he's really struggling to get through to them, so I'm gonna have to go and try and help later. But I need to get all this done today, because if I don't get all this filmed today, then I'm gonna have no work to do when I'm up in London, and that's the whole point, is I work hard when I'm down here so that I can edit when I'm up there, and this is the first real test of that, so we'll see how it goes. Might be coming home sooner than I thought if I run out of things to film and edit. But yeah, anyway, that was 3.5 minutes of waffle. I am going to get on. I have got my December fabric haul and sewing plans video to film next, and then it's twirl time, because I need to do twirls for the 6380 and the 8577 if I'm going to do a review of them. But then I also need to film all these as well. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. This just the waffle for this lot was 1 hour and 15 minutes rough cut, so it's going to be a really long video, really long video. Promise that December is going to be shorter. And then next year I'm going to be better, I promise. So anyway, yeah, I'm procrastinating thoroughly, can you tell? I'm going to get on. I shall speak to you guys in a little bit. Someone's using a jackhammer outside. Oh, there's not a lot I can do about a jackhammer, is there? I was going to go and see who it was, but it's not a lot I can do, so hopefully the background noise is not too annoying. Hopefully the sound of my voice is drowning out the jackhammers. And thank you! I'm having my own little dance party, it's fabulous. Just wiped out my 4th battery for the day. Thankfully the next one has charged, so I can put back into rotation. I'm nearly done. I have got the 2 sparkly tops left to film, the red one and the green one. Is that right? Yeah, I put the brown one on already. And then I'm done. I have managed to film the 12s for the 6380. I haven't done the 8577. It's 5 o'clock. So I still need to do the chatty bit for the 6380, which I can do, but it's actually pitch black outside, so I really hope the lighting's been decent during the last bit of this when the sun was going down. Yeah, I am still going to do an 8577 review, but it's just not going to get filmed today because I'm losing my voice, as you can tell. Although I have been having a bit of a dance party and attempting some of those kind of like magic transitions between outfits and stuff. I don't know how well they've come out, and I am not going to put them in the main lookbook. I'm going to try and make a short or a reel, so yeah, or both, because they're different things. On like shorts are YouTube and reels are Instagram, aren't they? So yeah, I'm going to try that. But I have those 2 last tops to do, the 6380 chat to do, review to do, and then finish up the waffle. I don't know how much waffle there's going to have been, and I'm going to have to try and find all the funny bits that I've put in between the different bits of chat that I've been doing today as well. So oh, it's been a very long day. Very productive though, I'm feeling very virtuous, although I have got to try and get all of this back up to the house now. Does anyone want to come and help? Okay, I am done filming for the day. It's about 6 o'clock and I've still got to get all of that back up to the main house and edit. I think I said this the last time I waffled at you, but it's been a while. Oh, it's been a long day. It's been a really long day, but it feels really good to get all of this done, and I can now put this all into my wardrobe, because I think I told you when I did my wardrobe tour video, I keep a wardrobe empty for all of the new things that I make so that I don't miss anything out when I come to do these lookbooks. And now that I've filmed that, I can start putting this all away into the different sections of the wardrobe, like the tops and the jackets and things like that. I'm going to get that done this afternoon. I'm going to get this edited. I'm going to get as much else edited as I can. Yeah, tomorrow I head up to London, so I'm going to get my eyelashes done at 12:30, and then my train goes from Shanklin, because the trains have started to work on the island again. They've been out of action pretty much all year. The trains goes at 3:15, so Dad is very kindly taking me to the train station, and then I'm off to London until the 30th. I'll be back here on the 29th of November in time to start Vlogmas, which is very exciting. Like, I think I showed you earlier, my calendar's arrived and I really want to open it and have a look at it, but I want to do that on the first day of Vlogmas as well, so I'm going to leave it be. But yeah, it's been a long day. It's been a really, really long day, but so good, so good. Now I need to just go and do all that stuff that I've said, although again I'm procrastinating. Does anyone want to come and help me? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the little bit of waffle that there has been. Thank you very much for bearing with me while I get today done. They are interesting days waffle wise, because I film so much. I think that I've done a whole giant waffle and then I'll come and there'll be like 5 minutes, or probably today's one there's going to be loads of it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but thank you very much for bearing with me. I hope you've enjoyed my day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.